Christmas and New Year's are fast approaching. So is already starting new project.